Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fit and healthy. So let's start the part 5th of chapter number 4, that is advanced feature of word processor. Now the topic is placing text in shape. So you can add text in the shape to write something important in it. Now the steps are: right click on the shape, that means press the right mouse button, in which you will select. Now I again repeat the step. First you have to select the shape, after that right click on it. Then this context menu will appear, in which you will select add text. After that you can see one insertion point inside the shape. After that you can type anything, whatever you want to type in a particular shape. So these are the simple steps to placing text in shape. Now next is adding a border. So you can add a border to the text in your document to draw attention towards important information. For example, you can add a border to a paragraph to bring attention to the text. So now the simple steps are: click anywhere in the text or select the text to which you want to add border. So I want to select this first paragraph. Now it's selected. Then click on Home tab. After that, click on down arrow of border button. This is the border button. In paragraph group on ribbon, this is the border group. Then click on it. You can select the any border according to your wish. So I select here outside border, click on it. Now you can see one border outside of your selected text. So these are the simple steps to add border. Now some other steps are also. Again I click on this border option, and last option is border and shading. Click on it. Then the borders and shading dialog box appear. Click on border tab. This is the first option, borders. Then click here to select the type of border, this one. You can select the any one according to your wish. I select here 3D. After that, then click here to select the style for your border. So you can select the any style of your border. I select this one. After that, click on down arrow of color. You can select the any color for your border. So I select this red. After that, you can select the thickness, that is the width of your border. So I select the last one, that is a 6 pt, 6 point. Then after that, click on OK. This is the OK button. Click on it and you can see the border appear around the selected text. And you can remove the selection. Click anywhere outside the selection. So this is a blank area. Click on it. Now it's deselected. Now the next is to remove the border. Click anywhere in the text with the border. After that, click on Home tab. Then click on the down arrow of borders button. These are the border, but this is the border button, and there is the option no border. Click on it. Now you can see the word removes the border. So these are the simple steps to apply and remove the border. So student, this is the last topic of this chapter, and the question answer and book exercise I will send in WhatsApp group. And please read this chapter and try to understand it, and side by side complete your notebook work also. Thank you.